Are you worried about the safety of your digital kingdom? Imagine your digital life as a medieval kingdom. You are the king or queen. Your data is your treasure. You have built strong walls and moats to protect it all. But threats loom. Cybercriminals are like enemy armies, always looking for a way to breach your defenses and steal your precious possessions. In today's digital age, these threats are constant. They are also becoming more sophisticated. Every day, new vulnerabilities are discovered. These vulnerabilities are weaknesses in your digital walls. Attackers can exploit these weaknesses. They can then steal your data and wreak havoc. One such vulnerability has emerged, sending ripples of concern throughout the digital realm. This vulnerability has a name: CVE-2024-49138. Don't forget to follow for more content like this. CVE 2024-49138 is a serious security flaw. It allows attackers to bypass authentication. Imagine a hidden tunnel dug beneath your castle walls. That's what this vulnerability is like. Attackers can slip through this tunnel. They can gain access to your systems. This vulnerability is particularly dangerous because it affects a widely used software component. This component is like a gate used in many castles. If attackers find a way to open this gate in one castle, they can likely open it in others. This means many systems are at risk. The potential impact of CVE 2024-49138 is significant. Attackers can exploit it to steal sensitive data, install malware, or even take complete control of your systems. It's like letting the enemy into the heart of your castle. They can then do as they please. The good news is that there are steps you can take to protect your digital kingdom. Think of these steps as reinforcing your castle gates. The most crucial step is to install security updates as soon as they are available. Software vendors release these updates to patch vulnerabilities like CVE 2024-49138. They are like repairing a breach in your castle walls. Reviewing your system configurations is another vital step. This is like checking that all the locks on your castle doors are secure. Look for any misconfigurations that could weaken your defenses. Make sure you are using strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. A strong password is like a heavy barred gate. It makes it much harder for attackers to break in. Even with the strongest walls, no castle is entirely impenetrable. That's why you need watchtowers and sentries. You need to be vigilant. In the digital world, monitoring your systems is crucial. Think of this as having guards on your castle walls. They are watching for any signs of trouble. Look for any unusual activity, such as login attempts from unfamiliar locations or unexpected changes to your files. These could be signs of an attack. Several tools and services can help you monitor your systems. These tools act like your eyes and ears, alerting you to potential threats. Section 5. The evolving battlefield: trends in cybersecurity. The landscape of cybersecurity threats is constantly changing. New threats emerge every day. It's like facing a new enemy with different tactics. Attackers are becoming more sophisticated. They're using advanced techniques like artificial intelligence and machine learning to bypass traditional security measures. To counter these evolving threats, the cybersecurity industry is also evolving. There's a growing emphasis on proactive security measures. This is like training your soldiers and fortifying your defenses before an attack happens, rather than waiting to react after the enemy has breached your walls. Section 6. The great debate: proactive versus reactive, human versus machine. Within the cybersecurity world, there's an ongoing debate. Should we focus on proactive or reactive strategies? Should we rely more on automation or human oversight? It's like deciding whether to invest in better training for your soldiers or build stronger walls. Both sides have valid points. Proactive measures can help prevent attacks, while reactive measures are crucial for mitigating damage after an attack occurs. Similarly, automation can handle repetitive tasks and analyze vast amounts of data. But human intuition and expertise are still essential for interpreting complex threats and making critical decisions. The most effective approach likely lies in a balance between these approaches. It's like having a well-trained army with the best equipment, ready to defend your castle and respond to any situation. Section 7. Learn from the knights of the digital realm. In this ongoing battle for digital security, you don't have to fight alone. Cybersecurity experts and influencers are like wise knights who have spent years studying the enemy's tactics. They share their knowledge and insights freely, Follow these experts, engage with them online, attend their webinars and conferences, subscribe to their blogs and podcasts. This is like having access to the best military strategists in the land. They can provide invaluable guidance on how to protect your digital kingdom. Section 8. Your kingdom's safety is in your hands. Protecting your digital kingdom from threats like CVE-2024-49138 requires constant vigilance and a proactive approach to security. Install updates, review configurations, monitor for unusual activity, and stay informed about the latest threats and trends. Remember, in the digital realm, knowledge is power, and proactive security is the best defense. By taking the necessary steps to fortify your digital fortress, you can safeguard your data and enjoy the many benefits of the digital world with peace of mind. Your digital kingdom's safety is in your hands. Protect it wisely. So as this adventure draws to a close, remember to like, share, and follow us for more updates and insights. Thank you for supporting us, and may your digital kingdom remain ever secure.